Have you ever tasted a dish that is so delicious you completely forget about your diet? Well, today we are making exactly that. This is Kashk-e Bademjan, one of Iran's most beloved traditional dishes. Creamy eggplant, crispy fried onions, aromatic garlic and mint, topped with tangy kashk and crunchy walnuts. This is simple, comforting, incredibly flavorful, and honestly, once you try it, one plate probably won't be enough. Alright, let's start with the eggplants. Eggplants is the star of this dish. Once it's fried or grilled, it becomes soft and tender, creating the perfect base for the dish. One of the most important steps when making Kashk-e Bademjan is removing any possible bitterness from the eggplants and cooking them until they become completely tender. When the eggplants is cooked properly, it blends beautifully with the other ingredients, giving the dish a smooth, creamy texture. When choosing eggplants, keep in mind that smaller, young, and firm eggplants usually have less bitterness. Very large eggplants with lots of seeds can sometimes have a stronger, more bitter taste. Well, after peeling the eggplants and cutting them in half lengthwise, replace them in a shallow dish, sprinkle them with salt, and let them rest for 20 to 30 minutes to help remove any bitterness. Now it's time for the onions. Onions in Kashk-e Bademjan are not just for adding flavor. They also help balance the taste of the eggplant, create a delicious caramelized flavor, complements the spices, and give the dish a smoother, more cohesive texture. The mild sweetness of fried onions helps balance the flavor of the eggplants. When the onions are slowly fried, some of their natural sugar caramelizes, creating a pleasant, slightly sweet flavor. For this dish, it's best to slice the onions into thin strips. After a few minutes of frying the onions, we add the garlic and let them fry until they are nicely golden and fragrant. Garlic adds a wonderful aroma to the dish and makes the flavor of the eggplant even more appealing. When fried, garlic develops a warm, slightly sweet, and mild flavor, adding more depth and complexity to the dish. It can also help balance the richness of the dish and make the overall flavor more enjoyable. Halfway through frying the onions, we add turmeric and salt and mix everything well, allowing the flavors and aromas to blend together beautifully. Before adding the eggplants to the pot, we wipe up any excess moisture and bitterness from their surface. Then, we chop them into smaller pieces to make them easier to cook. After adding the eggplant pieces to the pot, we add a little water and give the ingredients a gentle stir, prevent them from sticking to the bottom. Then, we cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the eggplants are completely tender. During this time, we check on the dish a few times and gently stir the ingredients to prevent them from sticking to the bottom and burning. After the eggplants are fully cooked, we mash them thoroughly using a food masher and get ready for the next step. At this stage, we add the kashk to the pot and mix it well with the mashed eggplant. The amount of kashk is completely a matter of personal taste, but for the amount of ingredients I've used, 3 to 5 tablespoons should be enough. Now the dish is ready. All that's left is the decoration. For the topping, you can use ingredients such as chopped walnuts, fried onions, fried garlic, fried dried mint, and kashk, according to your preference. Our delicious and creamy Kashk-e Bademjan is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed making this traditional Iranian dish with me. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you like to decorate your Kashk-e Bademjan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.